Hello K-Squad, it's your girl Ibiwari. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Panda to resize your video, to share it easily on any platform, and also get your video saved, your resized video saved on the Panda app to easily access it anytime, any day, even when you lose the content in your phone. So let me give you a backstory. So new to content creating, I created a paid video. Then the challenge was it was too large to share to the clients. I was like uploading and it's not going through. I was wondering why, like, it is taking forever to upload. I didn't know the file was too large. So when I discovered it, I started searching on how to share that content. I even went ahead to like cut the content in sections just to share it. Not until I discovered how to use Panda to resize my video, and ever since then, trust me, I resize any video to any size I want, like literally any size I want. So in this video, I want to share with you how to use Panda to resize your video. Hopefully it gets to benefit, even if it's one person that they know how to resize their large videos for easy upload and also saving their data. But this video, I'll show you how to use Panda to resize your video so you can easily share it as a content creator or for whatever purpose you need it for. So this video is for you. Kindly stay through till the end so that you get to see how you can use it to resize your video and how you can get Panda, the Panda app, save your resized content so that you can easily access it any day, anytime. So let's dive into it. To start off with, you need Panda installed on your phone. So this is the Panda logo. So you click on the Panda icon and it launches the app and you get to see all your video uploads. So it has three headers. It has the original, the album, and the compressed. Now the original is where you see all your camera uploads. Then the album is, you can easily find each of your video as is categorized. Then the compress is where Panda saves your resized content if you want it saved. But for that, you need to sign up and log into the Panda app so that you can be saving your resized photo and your resized videos. So to start with the resizing, I'll click on the first video I have on my originals, and it's 961 MB. So this second frame shows where the selection I will make to resize, and I always go with the medium. So once I click the medium and I'll click compress, Panda gets to work immediately. And in minutes, your video is resized. And one good thing about Panda, after resizing, if the file is still large, you can still go ahead to resize it again till you get to the optimum size you want. And the good thing, after resizing, it maintains the quality. The quality of the video still comes out good. Once it's 100%, you can see from 961 MB, now it's 112 MB, which is easy to upload on any platform. I'll click, then it shows me a notification. If I want Panda to modify the changes, I'll say yes. I'll click allow. Then I'll go ahead to replace the file. I always use replace file because I want my original to be resized to the current file. But if you don't want your original to be resized, you want your original to be there and you still have your resize, click save. And once you save, it will be saved to the Panda compressed section and you have your file any day. Thank you for staying true to this point. I hope you've learned something from the tutorial. And also, as content creators, aside Panda, what other ways do you use to resize your video? Let me know in the comment section. Know how to resize your video. How did you go about it? Which other app did you use? So I would like to know. Share your experience with me in the comment section. So let's get to know how you jumped that hurdle. Well, if you did, give this video a thumbs up. share this content and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content will drop. Content like this on video editing and how to use apps, tutorials on app. If you're interested in this content, kindly subscribe and join the case code, and let's grow this channel and learn together and explore new things on this channel. New videos will drop, so if you like to be part of the content that will be dropping on this channel, subscribe to the channel. There's many more to come. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Keep exploring and stay creative. Bye.